Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. Today we're going to be making a pair of glam glasses. And so what you're going to need, you will need some of this floral diamond wrap. I picked this up at Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now I also have some of these beautiful buckles, and these are rhinestone buckles. They're from Totally Dazzled. I have the square and the oval shape. I will be using both. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of wedding decor and event decor. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you'll need 2 wine glasses, and you can really use this size here, or if you want like a larger globe, if you can find a larger wine glass, you can use that as well. It doesn't matter, whatever you'd like to do. I also have some peel and stick gemstones. These are from Walmart. And I have the peel and stick gemstones from Walmart in the larger size as well. This smaller size, you can find these at Dollar Tree on a half sheet size. So I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to create these gorgeous glasses, so let's get started. Okay, guys. Now, didn't these glasses turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. And these are actually glasses that I've made to match the set of placemats that I created last week. I'll link the placemats for you guys in the iCards and also in the end screens of this video for you to check them out. But let's go ahead and start decorating with these. Well, there you have it, guys. Another super simple and beautiful glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.